Alright, so this is a short review on the Koolertron Shockproof DSLR bag. It has partition on it. You see it, you might see a little bit of not completely black because I have adjusted the camera so you can see on the inside the partitions the way I have placed them. I have placed them here, one on this side and one on the other side, because my camera has a big lens, 70 by 200, and this is my camera here. This is what I do. Put it on one side. Oop. Yeah, my cap fell off, but yes, I want you to see it, how it fits, the whole thing. And then just use this here and close it tight, because when you have over $2,000 invested in your things, you need the best thing to protect them. What I do is I take this and I put it inside my backpack when I'm carrying it, just for extra protection. This one, aftershock. If I'm gonna, I wouldn't just grab this to go and do a shoot. No, I will just use this on inside another bag. Yes, you could take it out and place it somewhere and just leave your camera in there while you're setting up or whatever, and then when you're ready, that you just take it out. And that's it. You could use this bag in different ways. It doesn't have to be like this. I use it like this because I just want extra protection for my investment. Alright? This is one of the most expensive items that I have, that I own, so I really want I want it to be secured. Yes, the padding is a lot of padding, all sides, and even in the bottom. So if you're carrying it and if it falls, yes, it'll protect it. I'm not actually gonna test it and nobody will test it that way, but if by a chance it falls, you're gonna be glad that you had this to protect your camera, your investment. So if you found this to be helpful, this video helpful in any way, please give me a positive vote, letting me know that you watched the video, right? I appreciate it. Thank you very much, and I'll keep doing these videos